we are going to create the icon that will show and hide these lists right here. All right, so quick tips. If you want a good quality image or images for your websites, you can use Pinterest, but pixels, they have good quality and high quality pixels that you can select from when you are downloading them. And also use flaticons.com. That's where you can get any icons for your website. Search bar, and then you get different hamburger icon that you want. So if you want it, you click on it. You can download PNG and SVG is for sale, and then you can copy the PNG straight like that. This one will be in a code form. Click on it and then download it. So when you have your icon ready, your download to appear like that, just drag it and drop it right here. I already have my icon there, so there's no need for me to do that. This is my hamburger right here, so I have that PNG already inside my folder. Okay, now let's add it right here. Say charts, and then you find it there. This is SVG, but I also have the PNG. And the difference between the SVG and the PNG is the SVG, you can change the colors and manipulate it in different way, but the PNG, you can't change the color. All right, so let's give it an ID. Say chat icon like that. And then because we are going to add a click function to it, let's add on click. It is JavaScript on click, and then we will give it a name, Togo. It can be any name, but let's stick to this name so that you won't get lost. All right, now let's style this hamburger icon here. Let's style it in the CSS. So remember, we gave it an ID of chat icon. So this is what we are going to call inside the CSS. And this on click, we will use this function inside the JavaScript. All right, so do not continue to type or to edit your chat icon right below here, no, but rather bring it up here to be part of this initial CSS code that we were doing before we added the media screen to it. So right here you say as chat icon, position absolute, so that it can move freely on your page. So we want it to move to the top of just give it 20 pixels. We want it to move, let me stretch this. We want it to move to the right. We want it to move 20 pixels to the right. See, it's shifted. Now let's give it a width of 40 pixels like that. Let's give it a height of 40 pixels like that. And also let's give it a cursor to the pointer, and then let's give it transform scale to 0. 0 is what we needed because we don't want it to appear here. We want it to appear when the screen size is at phone mode. Now, we will go straight forward to the font size right here. So inside this font size, we'll call the chart there, and then we're gonna tell or edit it right here so that when the maximum width of your web page reaches the width of 480 pixels, you want the chat icon to appear and behave a certain way for you. So chat icon. Now we want it to appear. Okay, so before, let's give position of fixed so that it will stay where it is, and then we will add a transform scale so that we'll give it a scale of 1. So we will add transition to it so that it will smoothly appear when it gets to the phone mode. We say all 0.3 second, ease in and out like that. Now let's increase the transition to 5. Okay, so let's test it. You see, it automatically enters with a smooth transition we gave it. Now the weight is too much, so let's give it a weight of 25 pixels and the height of 25 pixels like that. Okay, now we are done with the hamburger icon. So in our next video, we will add the click function to it so that it will hide this element right here up to the logo right here, so that when you click it again, it will reveal it down like that. Thank you for watching and keep on coding.